to my channel, everyone. Today I am going to draw the winners for my two-year anniversary giveaway. And I have my screen up here for the random comment picker. The comment needs to have the answer to the question that was in my video, which was, what crafts do you like to do? What is your favorite craft to do? Something in the line of that. And you could not have the word giveaway or anything like that in your comment. So I'm going to now get the URL from that video. So we're going to go over here to the video, which is this one, with the super secret 2-year anniversary announcement. And I am going to get the URL, which is right here. I'm going to copy that. Go back over here and I'm going to paste it. There we go. And it's going to filter out any duplicate users. So if you answered more than once, you only have one entry. So we had 290 unique commenters, and this shows, let's see, we had a total of 334 comments. So 44 comments were weeded out for being duplicates or my own responses to comments. And now we come down here and we start to see who gets to be the first winner. Okay, it says the winner is Angel LMCS. She says, "Hey Donnie, congrats on 2-year anniversary. That's awesome. I've been following your channel for over a year now. I love it. You're so helpful. I also crochet and cross stitch. I came across your channel on my channel suggestions to watch, and I've been hooked ever since. LOL. Thanks for all you do for the DP community. Congratulations again." So she did answer the questions. So she is our winner number 1. Congratulations, Angel. Now we will pick our second winner. Who's it gonna be? It says Britt Waldo 222. Donnie, congratulations on 2 years. I remember when you started up. It's been fun to watch your journey. I love most crafts, but I mostly do diamond painting, paint rocks, and draw house plans. Don't know if that last one is considered a craft, but I enjoy it. Hope your channel keeps going strong. So those are my 2 winners. Congratulations. And it's a little tricky on claiming your reward because there have been people out there trying to claim rewards that are not theirs. So I need you to contact me on Facebook. And if you do not use Facebook, I suggest commenting on this video and let me know, and I will reply back to you as to another way that you can verify that you are the winner. So, or that you are the person claiming the prize, that you are the one that's supposed to receive it. So you can contact me on Facebook at Diamond Painting by Donnie. And if your name does not match, then we're going to have to figure something out, because since there's no way to comment or make a private message here on YouTube, they've made it a little bit more difficult to verify a person is who they are. But I will give time after somebody claims it, I will give a couple of days time so that I can verify that you are the one that actually won it and it's not somebody else trying to claim your prize. So if I do not hear back from these 2 winners within 48 hours, I will come back and redraw. So that will be in another video if that happens. But hopefully these 2 winners will claim their prize, and the legitimate people will be claiming them. And I hope to hear from you soon. So have fun diamond painting, guys, and Don't forget to sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care.
Bye.
Take care, everyone. Bye.